If you've ever wondered what's inside of a Honda XL500R muffler, I'm going to show you. So, well, let's start with this end. There's some sort of a spark arrestor here that looks a bit like an RPG grenade. Alright. Then this pipe is purely to hold everything together. There's a reducer here. And on this side, if I take this out, this big tube has got 2 layers of metal, and there's some sort of a baffle inside all the way to the outside circumference, right? And then there is this interesting shaped baffle in here with this turbine that essentially pushes gases all the way out. I suppose gives them a spin, and this baffle goes all the way inside here, where there's another piece of the baffle at the bottom. That's a lot of stuff, and it's heavy, but it's effective. Well, this one obviously is gonna go to the trash now.